What is your name?
My name's Caleb.
Shay.
Sally, Serena.
For $1, what are Ikea's colors?
Blue and green.
Oh, he's out! He's out! He's out! They're done. He's in the special class. On average, how many times do Americans move in their lifetime?
11?
No.
It is 11! Correct! $5. For $10, in what decade did Ikea start offering furniture?
I'm saying the 1800s.
I think it's 20s.
40s. 30s.
60s.
35th.
What's your final answer?
40s.
It's the 40s, correct. So a recent study was conducted to figure out the most stressful events in people's lives. Moving was one of them. What are the two others?
Death.
Death is correct.
Love.
Breakups. No, breakups.
I don't even know what it is. Oh my God. All right.